Welcome to Microsoft 365 Copilot, your AI-powered partner that transforms the way you work. Across Microsoft tools, Copilot helps you collaborate, analyze, create, and manage more efficiently than ever before. Let's start with Copilot Pages, a dynamic, collaborative canvas designed for real-time AI-assisted teamwork. Imagine you work for an EV charging company, and you are exploring a new business opportunity. You ask Copilot to research the number of daily passengers and available parking spaces with EV chargers. In seconds, Copilot pulls the information together, and you turn it into a page to collaborate with your team. Simply tag your colleagues, and watch as they contribute to the page in real time. As you continue, Copilot references previous plans to give you a head start on your proposal, pulling in deliverables, schedules, and assigning owners. Your team is now ready to execute the project plan seamlessly. Now, let's see Copilot in Excel in action, enhanced with Python. Imagine you're working on your company's annual revenue forecast. With just a few clicks, Copilot conducts an advanced analysis, using 3 years of historical data. It generates Python code to forecast your annual revenue for the next 2 years, giving you powerful insights directly in the Excel grid. And, if needed, you can even modify the Python code yourself, right within Excel. Next, meet Copilot in PowerPoint, your creative partner. You're preparing a pitch for a new customer, and you ask Copilot to generate a compelling deck. Using the narrative builder, you can reorder sections, add topics like key value propositions and customer testimonials, and ensure your presentation is polished and on-brand. Copilot pulls in images from your company's library and helps design slides, so you can focus on delivering an engaging pitch. Finally, Copilot in Outlook helps you prioritize your inbox like never before. It analyzes your emails, highlights the most important ones, and identifies action items. Whether it's a new customer inquiry or a critical follow-up, Copilot ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Simply teach Copilot to prioritize specific contacts, and you'll always stay on top of your most important communications. Microsoft 365 Copilot, a revolution in human-to-AI to human collaboration. With Copilot as your partner, the possibilities are endless.